Welcome to the Entrepreneurial CPA Show. We're here to take a deep dive into knowledge needed to break free of the box and become that world-changing entrepreneur we know you want to be. As always, we're here to hit you up with the theoretical and the practical skills you need to punch above your weight. I'm Garrett, your entrepreneurial CPA, coming in from the practical side, and I'm here with the man, the legend of the theoretical, Dr. Sean. Today's show is brought to you by our amazing partners. We use their solutions and we suggest you check them out. Prolera, reminding you that CPE doesn't have to be a grind. Hayden Rock Solutions, they provide the roadmap to advisory services, one of those topics we're always talking about on this show. And finally, last but not least, Accounting Fly, who connects you with the cloud accounting jobs, remote accounting jobs, and the most respected firms in the country. They do it all. If you're a firm looking for help hiring or a job candidate, they've got the next job for you. On today's show, we're talking about an actual follow-up from a show we did last week. We talked about before the disruptive change coming to our industry. And today we're talking about the non-disruptive change that's coming to our industry with this tremendous opportunity to set us free like never before. So Dr. Sean, as always, kick us off with that theoretical insight we need.
Awesome, Garrett. Thanks for that. And I mean, I would say that really, that it is awfully hard right now to sort of focus on sort of operational improvements or how to make your firm more efficient or to better engage with your external customers and your clients, with all of the buzz, right, about AI and there's blockchain and there is everything else going on. But really, I mean, there is a big, force out there that is impacting our field and our industry. And really sort of, it is opening up doors of opportunity for individuals and firms who are both, one, forward-looking, and two, able to sort of leverage these opportunities into lines of actual business, right? And sort of the whole theme of non-disruptive change is, I think, a very interesting area, right? And really, it, I think, boils down to sort of how firms and how individuals working at firms are able to take advantage of all of these advances on the IT side, on the, and AI and blockchain and everything else are out there, but there's a whole host of opportunities out there that aren't tied to AI or to blockchain. And so the whole process can really start as easily as automating your email, as your voicemail, and all of those rote tasks, all of those lower level items that you don't actually add any value doing so anyway. So if you're able to automate those tasks, then it opens up the door for both as a firm and your individuals working there to be able to actually take advantage of all of these other options out there to add value on an ongoing basis, on a continuous basis, right? To your existing clients and also, more importantly, your future clients going forward. And I believe Garrett has a few sort of tidbits in there and some sort of operational aspects for us.
There you go. Come back this way.
Well, absolutely.
Yeah, well said as always. And that's the change we're faced right now with our industries. Talk before the disruptive change that's coming to everything we do now. The audits, the tax returns, the bookkeeping, the compliance work. Going away, the fee compression, we're worried about, will we still have jobs? And that's why this non-disruptive change, which is being fueled by the same technology that's crushing us over here, is providing these tremendous opportunities on the flip side. Tremendous opportunity for our industry. A lot of industries that are going through this huge change right now don't have this upside. They've got this disruptive change pushing them down, but they don't have this non-disruptive change that's coming to give them that way out. So when we say this non-disruptive change, one of the ways we can look at that inside of our CPA firms today is there's a whole new range of services that we can offer to our current clients. That's what non-disruptive. If you ever read the Blue Ocean Strategy, that's where this term comes from.
I love Blue Ocean Strategy, Garrett.
Yeah, I know you're a fan. That's what we're talking about here. The
Absolutely.
Change of, what that a lot of times comes down to is we can offer advisory services or outsource CFO work, client accounting services are named for it, to our current client base. We're offering a whole new range of services to our current client base, being driven by this technology. And one of the great benefits of this is, our clients are looking for this. Our clients want help growing their business. And the other part that makes it non-disruptive is there's really no market for this current offering. There's no industry out there that's offering outsourced CFO work, advisor work, or client accounting services already. It's just an untapped field that's just kind of like sitting there. It's just next to what we did before. It's just kind of there waiting. And a lot of firms aren't sure how to get there. They hear about it, they talk about it, and that's where they fall flat. And that's where that opportunity for us as firms, as practitioners, as CPAs, as entrepreneurial CPAs, our future is going to be in this non-disruptive change. So Dr. Sean, I know you're a big Blue Ocean fan like we all are.
I am.
Talk about that non-disruptive change. Should firms hold back when they kind of look to make this pivot to these advisory services, or do they need to realize that kind of when it comes to that blue ocean, that's that blue ocean. The blue ocean is never going to be tax returns.
Well, yeah, and I mean, honestly, the whole idea of the blue ocean idea is to enter into new markets, right, that are untapped, right? And sort of the blue ocean idea is then sort of put up against the red ocean idea. And so the red ocean is where all of us are currently, right? Where all of us are having to handle fee compression, turnover, all the rest. But if we as both individuals and as firms are able to enter into new areas of work, of service, and to really add some value, right, to our clients going forward, that opens up a whole new ocean, of course, of opportunities going forward, right? And really sort of the opportunities out there are almost endless. It can be employee engagement, it can be training, it can be social media, it can be IT linked. I mean, really sort of the whole idea is to get your firm into that blue ocean area and to be able to have those conversations, both with your current clients and as you're out there trying to bring in some new clients, to be able to highlight those new offerings, products, and services that only your firm or that you as an individual are able to offer.
Yeah, and that's the key there. These additional services that are there, and they're services that, honestly, if we're really honest with ourselves and with our clients, right now we've got the compliance work, the backwards looking stuff, the tax returns, the audits, those sort of things. Our clients don't really care about that. But when you talk about the advisor service, if we have choice, if we ask our client, we say, hey, listen, I can either do your tax return every year, and it's filed on time, or I can help you grow your business so you actually have an enjoyable business that you run, you make money, you have time for your family and your life. Which of those two do you want to have happen? Which do you really care about?
It's pretty easy call there, right?
Yeah, and that's the thing. We've never really gotten into this side of it. We've always just focused on this. I'm going to give you the tax return every year, and they're still struggling to run their business and grow their business and have that happy life. So you don't have to feel like you're selling something extra to them that maybe they don't want or they don't need. They all want help growing their business and having a happier life. So if you're looking for tips on how to get started, we've covered a lot of this in prior episodes. As you get into this advisory service piece, some great episodes. We did a great episode on value pricing, how to think about value pricing. I'll check that out. We did a great episode with Hay Rock Solutions on getting into advisory services. I check that out. And then a big piece of this pivot in this non-disruptive change is the entrepreneurial skills that we talk about a lot. So any episodes we've done on entrepreneurial skills, that additional skills you need to deliver that non-disruptive change, check those out. It's going to help you along the way. So Dr. Sean, I think that's all the time we have for today. I want every firm out there to go back and start to leverage and take advantage of this non-disruptive change. You don't have anything to lose. Talk to your clients. If you're unsure where to start, reach out to us. We're happy to help spend some time with each of you to help you understand how to get started. For those of you watching who really want to get the learning going, I'm talking about it's you watching today, wants to get this started today, check out our entrepreneurial groups. Become the entrepreneur you deserve and embrace this non-disruptive change. More details are on our website. You can click the link below. As a special offer, we've got our latest ebook out that will pop up on the screen in a link below. Click that, get a free copy of our latest ebook. It's going to help you make this change. And don't forget, I'll be watching on YouTube. Click the little button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, get some updates when it's coming. And as always, we challenge you to take action today to change the world and invest in yourself.